Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn off your PlayStation 5 controller. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find your games and applications, and here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, and right here, we're gonna find search, settings, and right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on settings, here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your PlayStation 5 and also all of your account settings. So right now, go ahead and scroll down, and here under screen and video, you're gonna find accessories. Go ahead and click on it. Then right here, you're gonna find general, controller, media and remote, and other accessories. So right now, I'm gonna go back to controller, and then here, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your controller, as you can see guys. And here, if you go to general, you can turn off your accessories. You can also go to advanced settings, and then here you can turn off Bluetooth and so on. And right now, if you want to turn off your PlayStation 5 controller, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and click on the PS button on your controller. And then once you do that, here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of these settings. You're gonna find home, switcher, notifications, game base, music, downloads and uploads, sound, mic, and right here you're gonna find accessories. Go ahead and click right here. Then you're gonna find your controller. So this is my controller, DualSense wireless controller. Go ahead and click on it, and then here you're gonna find two options: turn off and controller settings. Just go ahead and click on turn off, and then your controller will be off. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.